Hi, I'm Pablo Velez, React developer, and I am very excited because I'm going to show you how to make your first React app very fast. So, the first step, if you have never ever made a React app, is to have Node.js installed in your computer. So we go to the Node.js download page and download it. Then we install it. Once you have done that, you go to the Visual Studio Code page, which is the one of the best code editors for many developers. We download and install it. Once you got Node.js and Visual Studio Code installed in your computer, we are now ready to make our first React app. We go to the terminal, and in our desktop or any other place you want, you'll make a new file with the name of your project. It can be my first React app. Then go inside, and to make the React app, you have to write this command: npx create React app, and then the name of your app. Maybe my first app. It must not have uppercase letters or spaces. Press enter, and it might take a while to install all the packages. So finally we got our app. To see the code in our editor, we go inside the app file and write code space dot. To finally visualize our app in our local host, we write this command: npm start and wait. This is it. You have run your first React app. Now we're going to make our first personalization. We go to the app.js file and we erase all of this. To not get an error message, we delete this logo file. And we can write an EH tag and a text that says my first React app. And maybe a P tag that says hello world. Press Ctrl S to save the file. Okay, this is it. This is your first React app. Thanks for watching.